If your PC ever crashes or refuses to boot, this single hidden Windows command lets your computer repair itself automatically. Do not skip this. It could save your files one day. First, press the Windows key, type command prompt, right-click and choose Run as administrator. Now type exactly reagentc/info and press enter. This checks your Windows recovery environment. If it says enabled, you are safe. If it says disabled, your PC cannot fix itself. To fix it, simply type reagentc/enable and press enter. Wait until you see operation successful. Done. Now your PC supports auto repair, startup recovery, and factory reset when things go wrong. This tiny command is life-saving. Subscribe for real Windows tricks that actually work.